A suspect who is interviewed by the police is said to be helping them with their what? A. Paperwork. B. Inquiries. C. Lunch. D. Laundry. Which of these is a term for a single unit of paper currency in the USA? A. Dollar Jack. B. Dollar Jill. C. Dollar Bill. D. Dollar Ben. Which of these is the name of a political party founded in 1963? A. Giant Foolish Dippy. B. Mammoth Futile Potty. C. Monster Raving Loony. D. Jumbo Absurd Cranky. Which word refers to the giving up of food, often for religious purposes? A. Brisking. B. Fasting. C. Swifting. D. Quicking. Which of these is the name of a successful TV comedy team? A. The League of Gentlemen. B. The Band of Ladies. C. The Group of Boys. D. The Union of Girls. What was the occupation of the Greek citizen Plato? A. Musician. B. Actor. C. Athlete. D. Philosopher. Lorikeet and parakeet are types of which bird? A. Pigeon. B. Penguin. C. Puffin. D. Parrot. What were the first names of aviation pioneers, the Wright brothers? A. Jack and Joseph. B. Donald and Malcolm. C. Orville and Wilbur. D. Robert and George. Movie star Uma Thurman married which other film actor in 1998? A. Keanu Reeves. B. Christian Slater. C. Johnny Depp. D. Ethan Hawke.